Over the past 20 years, Islamophobia has been widely spread in Western countries through media and politicians, but with a proper plan. We all know that Islam is a rapidly growing religion. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sundus and you are watching Stories by Mom. Today in this video, we will discuss what is Islamophobia. Before digging into this topic, we should know that phobia is an extreme, irrational, imaginary fear that develops in one's mind. For example, there are many kinds of phobias, in which claustrophobia, feeling suffocated in a crowd, acrophobia, fear of being fallen from height, water phobia, fear of being drowned in water, and xenophobia, etc., that is fear of dogs. So basically, phobia is a constant unseen fear that develops gradually and triggers a person to defend himself in anxiety and distress. Over the past 20 years, Islamophobia has been widely spread in Western countries through media and politicians, but with a proper plan. We all know that Islam is a rapidly growing religion, so there is a perception in Western world that it might become a political force or might rule the world. So this thinking has negatively impacted not only the minds of leaders but on the minds of individuals. Whatever portrait of Islam they have been exposed through their media, they believe in it, and by the time it became totally impossible for them to think out of the box. In their daily lives, when they see people with brown tone or heads covered with hijabs, hatred sprouted in their hearts. Their fear of being deprived with their culture and resources of their homelands, their feeling of inferiority to lose their supremacy within their country. They think that Islam will take over their religion and politics. Hence, they commit heinous crimes of terrorism due to this hatred, killing innocent Muslim civilians, insulting them on airports, in public areas, in their properties, in schools or at workplaces. It is the same hatred that we see in the form of continuous defamation of our Holy Prophet ﷺ, enticing feelings of Muslims. If we overlook Islamophobia and racism, we'll find that there is a very fine thin line of difference. Keeping in mind that these terrorist attacks always been conducted to stop you practice your religion openly. The thing is, how should we respond back to these situations? Being a Muslim, one should always have a strong faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After all these happenings around the world, in spite of hiding your Muslim identity, embrace it more in form of wearing hijabs or praying or wearing your traditional clothes. Confront the situations when someone try to molest you just because of your religion or because of your skin tone. Number 3, that is very important, always stand against the oppression. In the end, don't forget that Rasulullah ﷺ has been sent as a minority amongst the most racist and powerful nations of that time. But with his constant love, hard work, prayers, and bravery, he succeeded in his ambition. I know, indeed, these are the testing times for the whole ummah, and we need to prepare our future generation for it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us all. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to share your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.